this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today a 2015 Ford F-150 XLT. This vehicle features a 5-liter V8 gasoline engine with 4-wheel drive, and there have been no accidents or damages reported at CARFAX. As we get closer here to the front of this half-ton pickup, you'll be able to see that it is a sleek metallic blue flame clear coat with chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille, as well as down around those fog lights and tow hooks. Those fog lights will help you out in inclement weather, and speaking of inclement weather, we'll come along here to the side and take a look at this vehicle's tires and wheels. This vehicle features silver 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, and as for the tire treads, you have got a good amount of life left in them, but I'll get you those exact measurements in just a second, as this vehicle, along with all the other vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection, as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter. So you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. Here on the outside of your mirror caps, you do have your turn signal indicators integrated into those. And these mirrors are heated to help prevent them from fogging up, as well as to help de-ice them in inclement weather. Behind all of those wheels, you do have mud guards to help prevent not only mud from filling up on your vehicle, but from anything that might chip away at the paint like gravel or stone chips. And all along the bottom of this cab, you do have black and chrome running boards to help you get in and out with ease. We'll now take a look here to the inside of this pickup. Here on the inside of this vehicle, you do have a lovely gray cloth upholstery on the seats for a smooth and comfortable ride, along with a very stylish center pattern going down the middle. And like you had mentioned earlier, you do have those chrome and black accents making their way up the dashboard. While we're looking over here, I'll just open up the glove box and bring out the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. And as you'll be able to see here on this inspection sheet, you do have green checks the entire way around. And as for your tire treads, you have 8 30-seconds in both your front tires, and as for your rear tires, you have 9 30-seconds in both of those. And as for your brake pads, you have 13 30-seconds in the front and 11 30-seconds in the rear. So you have a good ways to go before you need to replace any of those wearables. I'd also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get the original owner's manual with it as well. So if you have any questions after you buy it, you'll be able to look them up in there. We'll now continue on to take a look here at the rear occupant seating. As you'll be able to see back here, this vehicle can seat a total of 6 people, as you do have 3 people in this row, and that middle seat does fold up to become in that additional 6th seat. For these rear occupants, you do have fold-out cup holders, a power outlet back here, and pockets on the backs of both of those front seats. And down on the floor, you do have all-weather floor mats to help keep your floors nice and clean. Over here on the door, all of the doors do have several storage spaces in them, as well as powered windows. I'll just close that and we'll continue to make our way around here to the rear of the vehicle. And as we're making our way back, you'll be able to see you do have an A.R.E. bed cap. Back here on the bumper, you do have rear proximity sensors. That is what those little dots are, and they will let you know if there's anything behind you whenever you're backing up or parking. And you also have a backup camera to go along with that. And as you may have already noticed, you do have a pre-installed tow bar for a trailer hitch hookup, as well as a spare tire behind it if you're ever in a pinch. I will just open up the bed to show you how much space you have here. And as you'll be able to see, this half-ton pickup does have a bed that's about 6.5 feet, so you've got plenty of space back here to haul some really nice loads. You'll also have a spray-in bed liner, which helps to protect that bed against any nicks or scratches the loads you put in here might give it. I'll just put the tailgate back up, and we'll continue around to the driver's side. I would like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys for your convenience, and both of them come with remote start as well. You also have a door code to help prevent you from ever getting locked out. This pickup does have powered mirrors, powered windows, and powered door locks. And as for the driver's seat, you do have 8-way power seating adjustments, so you can move the seat forwards, backwards, up, down, tilting the seat forward and back, and then 2-directional lumbar support. You also have a telescopic steering wheel with this vehicle, meaning you can move it in and out as well as up and down to fit you as you like. And to the left of that steering wheel are just your headlight controls, as well as your dashboard backlight controls, and those foot pedals are adjustable as well. I'll now just get in this pickup and turn it on for you. This vehicle does use its key to start as opposed to a push to start. And as you'll be able to see with the engine running and the dashboard lit up, this vehicle has about 80,222 miles on it. We'll take our attention over here to the left side of the steering wheel. As over here are your dashboard navigation buttons, so with these you can cycle through all the different information and services this vehicle provides to you. Underneath those dashboard navigation buttons are your cruise controls, and then on the right side of the steering wheel are your volume controls as well as your Bluetooth and call controls, as this vehicle does have smartphone integration. We'll now take a look here to the center of the vehicle. Here in the center of the vehicle you do have a lovely touchscreen LCD display, and I'll just throw it in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. Right above that display, you do have your electronic stability control toggle, which just helps to prevent skidding and sliding. And underneath it, you do have buttons for that display, as well as your volume knob there. To the left is your four-wheel drive shift. To the right is 2 power outlets. Underneath that, you do have your climate controls, and the front driver's seat and the front passenger seat are both heated to help keep you warm in the winter. Beneath that, you do have USB charging ports, an aux cord plug-in, a power outlet here to the right, a fold-out small storage compartment, and this pickup does come with an integrated trailer braking controller as well. You have 2 cup holders here, your main storage compartment, and then like I had mentioned earlier, this seat does fold up to become that additional 6th seat. Lastly, we'll take a look up, as this vehicle does come with a rear power sliding window. We'll now move on to the last section of this video. In the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so we'll be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, so before you make the drive out to our dealership, we want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections and all. So as I'm looking around the inside of this vehicle, you do have some wear in a few places, such as some discolorations there on the seats, and on the front passenger visor, and in the rear area. The cup holders do not fold up the entire way, but other than those, nothing else is really standing out to me. There are no odors or scents whatsoever, so we'll continue around to take a look at the outside of this pickup. We'll be looking up and down again for any of those imperfections, starting by coming along here to the front. And here along the front of this vehicle, you do have several small nicks, most likely from stone chips. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent it is just by not driving your vehicle. We'll come along here now to the passenger side. A few nicks on that wheel as well. Few small ones. And we'll come along here now to the rear. Now often on pickups where I do tend to see several imperfections is on the top of the tailgate, as people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. And as I take a look here, you do have some wear here on the top of the tailgate and some wear in that bed. I'll just put the tailgate back up, and we'll continue back around to the driver's side. Some small nicks there. A nick there. A scuff on that front driver's side door. And we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a blue half-ton crew pickup with the ability to seat 6, a good amount of space in the bed with a spray-in bedliner, A.R.E bed cap, backup camera, rear proximity sensors, a pre-installed tow bar, a spare tire, black and chrome running boards, 2 keys with remote start, a door code, cloth upholstery, all-weather floor liners, fog lights, tow hooks, smartphone integration, adjustable foot pedals, a rear power sliding window, and 4-wheel drive. This is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717 485-4224. You can also check out this crew pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.